Mr. 300C, we back at it again. This 300 is tripping, yo. There it is. Going on tow truck. This thing is still spilling oil or coolant. There's a little bit of purple in there. I don't know what's happening. Stupid ace car. I hate you. I hate you. I do. Well, going to the Dodge dealership so they can do a full diagnostics on this thing. I'm tired of going to these little mechanics around here. Try to give him a shot. Nope. None. Kind of fun to look under here. Yo, what's good, y'all? Mr. 300C, as you guys saw, the 300 is on the tow truck. Car is garbage, man. Straight garbage. Yo, it's so garbage that if you put it in the trash can, it wouldn't even take it off of the street. Let me stop. I ain't gonna I'm not gonna freestyle. Just messing with y'all. Okay, so here's what's been happening, because I've been putting a lot of money into this dumbass car and it's pissing me off. So I've already paid $1,600 to get this car fixed, and there's still issues with it, obviously. You saw the last video where my serpentine belt broke. So if you guys wanted to see what happened on that one, go look back at that. Then I went to go get an oil change, and these guys said that my control arm broke when they hoisted the car up. So I'm thinking they're covering themselves because they broke it. And so they replaced the control arm on the passenger side and the driver's side. On top of that, the ball and joints were replaced as well too. I got a brake flush and then did the oil change, so all that came to about $800, which was unexpected, right? Yesterday, I go out to go to work, start the car. Nope, didn't happen. Didn't even come on. No clicking, no engagement, no nothing, no noise. Power light still came on and everything was good, and I was like, well, that's interesting. So I went and got the battery tested at AutoZone. Battery was still good. It's like, all right, let's try something else. So I went and got a starter relay switch, put that inside. Still didn't hear any difference. Things were still busted up. So obviously I have a starter issue with the car, so I couldn't go anywhere. So I'm working from home today, so I'm chilling in the cut with my thermal on. I'm saying, dog, I'm chilling.
I'm chilling in the cut with my thermal on. I'm saying, dog, I'm chilling.
Nah, but car's gone and it is on its way to the dealership. In addition, when they fixed the car the second time, they said the radiator hoses wasn't on as tight, so the coolant was still leaking through, and now it's holding pressure. They did the pressurized water test or whatever, and now that's good, but there's still some weird purple liquid solution cleared stuff on the driveway. You guys saw it earlier in this video. I don't know, man. $1,800 down the drain, and to fix the starter on this car, who knows, maybe $400, $500, $600 plus labor, all included in that. I don't know. This car is becoming a money pit. I don't think I'm gonna get a 300 again. I know I took a chance on this car, but wifey's not really too happy with me that I picked this car because of all the problems they've been giving us. I want to just swap it out, call it a day, right? But your boy's trying to get a new house in the next couple months, and so I don't want to get a big loan and have that on my report when I'm trying to look good on the books while I'm trying to get pre-approved for a bigger house. So we'll see. And the cool thing about that, really quick, is instead of getting a new house, I want a brand new house so we can build it, but it's going to take 6 to 8 months to do so. Then we'd have to move into a condo, some small place until that time frame happens. And then I'd be able to get a car, but I don't know if that's the best option. I'd rather just, get a used house. That way I can get the car quicker, faster. Anyway, that was a quick update. Your boy's struggling. I gotta go back to work. See you guys later.